Hey Sace, does this winged eyeliner make me look like a hooker?
What's up, YouTube? I'm Rio, and I'm on a mission to go from a broke-ass, middle-aged, no-named artist to owning a 7-figure-a-year empire that revolves around my art. I'm hoping to get this done without having to have a boob job or a facelift, because it seems that in this industry, that a bikini body is the only way to get attention on social media, and that ship has sailed. Anyway, I'm gonna bring you along and share with you my progress. The good, the bad, the ugly, and the oh my god, I pooped my pants. All without trying to sell you some overpriced, how to make a living as an artist e-course that you don't even need.
So, my plan is to actually make a living as an artist. I know what you're thinking. There's an elephant in the room. Well, how do you eat an elephant?
I'd start with the ass. Not like the butthole, but like the ass cheeks.
One juicy butt cheek bite at a time, according to Sace. So, I have a website, I have IG, I have TikTok, I have Twitter. I don't like Twitter. I don't even know how to do Twitter. I never did learn Twitter. So I have it, but I don't go there because I don't use it. I have LinkedIn, and I don't post anything on LinkedIn because that's pretty professional, and I...
Still laugh at poop jokes.
Fair point, well made. Don't post anything there. And then we can't forget the 40,000 subscribers here on YouTube that we have abandoned and left out in the cold. And so far this year, this is my big... What is this? What is that? Like...
I don't know. It looks like you're wearing a box on your head.
Does it?
Yeah, it does.
I got a perm, y'all, and I don't know if it was a good idea or a bad idea,
It looks like it was a bad idea to me.
Shut up, Sace. What do you even know about hair?
I'm a professional hairstylist.
You are not. So far in 2021, I have not sold one single solitary piece of art. That's right, big giant zeros. But what I have done is accumulate $25,000 in debt. Now, in order to make this work, I gotta pay that off first. But here's what I've learned. It is really, really difficult. Stick with me now, because this is gonna be mind-blowing. It is really, really difficult to sell a painting without actually painting the painting. So the first bite of that juicy elephant butt is to tackle that $25,000 in debt, and I'm gonna start with these 2 pieces of wood right here. Yeah. You know you like the wood. Everybody likes the wood. Don't lie. You know you like the wood. Look at this. I'm gonna paint some ferns on these. Who's ready to eat some elephant ass? Let's go.
What is this, purple banana berry kush? That's weed, isn't it?
No.
I mean, that's not weed, right?
not too bad for our first video in over a year, right? These are gorgeous. This one I was scared because I thought I was painting a Christmas tree after a while. I was very, very nervous about it. But this one turned out very, very, very well. And I think that staged with some candles that it would be gorgeous. I think that it can be used as a serving tray in the kitchen or like with tea and you know, a cup of tea in the morning or whatever, the little teapot on there. Or I think that it can be used in a spa setting with a candle and, you know, maybe a vase or whatever. Either way, I think they're a beautiful addition to your home decor, and I can't wait to see what happens when we list these on the internet. So that wraps up this episode. Not too shabby for our first one back in a long time. If you haven't already, do me a favor and please hit the like and the subscribe and ring the bell, because we are going to have videos out every week. So Monday, we'll come back on with some new projects, and I'm super excited to show you what we have in store. Until next time, thanks for joining us in the studio. Ciao!
Happy?
Stace, I think that went well.